I'm CJ with Sparq Lighting, and today we did our landscape install in the rain. This is what a real install looks like. We don't wait for any of the perfect weather. If it has to get done, we're here to make sure it's done. Our lighting systems are built to handle any sort of weather, rain, wind, snow, any conditions, they'll handle and work properly in them. All of our connections are weather sealed and rated to last any sort of weather condition, so you have that peace of mind that nothing will get penetrated with water. Low voltage systems are safe and reliable and built to handle these conditions. If your lights can't handle them, you're going with the wrong company, because your system has to work properly in any condition, rain or shine. If you're ready for what a professional lighting system can do for you in your home, hit the link below.